The weather across South Africa this Monday is going to be fairly quiet compared to what we saw over the weekend. However, we are still going to see a few showers over the easternmost parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Light rain is forecast over part of the east coast. It's going to be mostly sunny and warm to hot across the central, northern and western parts of the country. Partly cloudy skies are forecast for the southern areas. Now we are expecting up to a 40% chance of precipitation wherever you see that light shade of blue along the east coast as well as the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Needless to say, it's going to be dry for the rest of South Africa. Now here's a look at those top temperatures. It's going to be pretty hot over the central and northern parts of South Africa. Highs around 35 for Uppington and Vredendal. Kimberley will also hit the 30-degree mark, 33 for Mahikeng. Johannesburg 32, the same for Polokwane, 34 in Pretoria. Cooler, however, as we go towards Mbombela, where a high of 26 is forecast. Durban will peak at 25 degrees. Temperatures around 21 degrees for East London, Bishop and Port Elizabeth. A warm 28 is forecast for the mother city. Let's take a look at what the coastal areas have in store for those who are going to head out to the waters this Monday. We are expecting great beach conditions for you along the west coast, and for the boaters, swell heights will average around 2.5 meters off the west coast. Along the southwest coastline, good beach conditions are also forecast over the Atlantic side of the Cape Peninsula, and we are expecting strong southeasterly winds from Cape Agulhas into the False Bay area. Along the south coast, we are expecting mostly a southeasterly breeze, and swell heights here will average around 2 meters off the south coast. Lastly, along the east coast, poor beach conditions are expected around the East London and Wild Coast areas, but we are expecting better beach conditions for Durban and Richards Bay.
News that moves. eNCA.com.